This place is otherworldly. That's right, my friends. Welcome to Coral Pink Sand Dunes State Park in Kanab, Utah. This unforgettable and unique place will give you an experience, that's for sure. Partially because once you leave, you'll still be finding sand in your clothes, car, or bags a week later. But you know what they say, no pain, no gain. The area was designated as a state park and opened to the public in 1963. The park's elevation is approximately 6,000 feet above sea level, and it's known for its stunning coral-hued sand dunes. This state park is a must-visit for anybody who loves ATVs, UTVs, or dirt biking. But there are plenty of cool places to explore on foot too. In this video, we'll get into the essentials of camping, nearby recreation and hiking, park fees, and much more. So let's dive in. Let's talk about the science behind what you're seeing when you're at this park. 3 elements contribute to the formation of sand dunes. Number 1, you guessed it, sand. 2, strong winds. And 3, the Venturi effect. That's right, you heard me.
The Venturi effect.
Despite popular belief, the Venturi effect is not the name of a horror movie, but rather, it describes the wind's behavior at the dunes. This happens between the Mokeith and Moccasin Mountains, where a gap channels the wind and increases its speed sufficiently to move grains of sand from the eroding Navajo sandstone. After the wind is accelerated through that gap and enters into a broader valley, its speed reduces, resulting in the deposition of sand grains. Also, these dunes are old. They're estimated to be between 10,000 and 15,000 years old. So now that you know that you can bring your entire family here for a science lesson, what else will you see around these parts? The coral pink sand dunes are home to a variety of insect species, including the unique coral pink tiger beetle, exclusive to this location. Occasionally, melting snow forms temporary ponds in the dunes, which provides a habitat for amphibians like salamanders and toads as well. Other than that, you may see some desert birds, mostly lizards, and some other types of beetles. Remember how I said that ATV enthusiasts love this place? Approximately 90% of the dunes are designated for riding, but that doesn't mean you'll be bored if you don't have an ATV. The entire dune area is accessible for hiking and enjoying the sand. You just need to make sure that you're visible so that ATV riders can see you. This is not the time to wear desert camo. If you don't bring ATVs with you, you can rent them at or near the park. You can also book guided tours to see everything the dunes have to offer nearby, including slot canyons, rappelling, and other hiking attractions. Now look, we'd be doing you a massive disservice if we didn't talk about one specific attraction here. That is the sandboards or sand sleds. These things are epic, and you'll have a blast cruising down the warm pink sand while trying to keep your balance. It's a quick shot of adrenaline and dopamine release better than your Instagram fix. Those sleds can be rented at the park, and you'll see tons of people having the time of their lives with those things. One last thing regarding ATVs. There are several deaths at the park each year due to alcohol-related instances. And yes, DUIs are given for ATV use as well. Helmets and flags are required for all ATVs. You gotta be visible. You gotta be responsible. Play safe so that everybody can enjoy those dunes. Here are a few other things you need to know. You can totally come just for the day. That's gonna cost you about $15 per vehicle, or $10 for seniors in 2024. But most people who make their way to this remote part of Utah, they're here to camp. So let's talk camping. Camping at Coral Pink Sand Dunes gives you a few options. So as you enter the park, if you go straight, you're gonna run right into those beautiful dunes. If you turn right, you're gonna go and see the old campground. If you go left, you're gonna go see the new campground. Let's talk about the old campground for a minute. There are no hookups, and these are sites 1 through 22. Don't worry, per usual, we'll show you each of them. you're gonna pay $28 per single site per night, or $55 for double sites per night. The new campground offers water and electric sites. These are numbered 23 through 34. These are gonna cost you $45 per site per night. Then there are two different group sites, an old and a new. The group site in the old part of the campground will cost you $170 per night, and you can have up to 5 camp units there. The group site in the new campground will actually cost you $200 a night. You can also have up to 5 camp units. We'll put links in the description of this YouTube video so that you can easily book your stay. One thing to remember, when you're making reservations, it is advisable to make them in advance. I plead with you. When you book in advance, you have the best opportunity to get the campsite that you want. Because during peak seasons, these fill up. A few other camping tips. Remember to pack your essentials like water, sunscreen, and insect repellent, because you're gonna need them. Now, before we show you the campsites, let's just mention one other tidbit. There are many nearby attractions because you are in that southernmost part of the state. Zion National Park, one of the mighty 5 national parks in Utah, is a short drive away. Zion offers stunning canyons, hiking trails, and my goodness, it is a place you want to see. Kanab, Utah is also a charming small town known for its rich history and picturesque landscapes. So keep those cell phones charged because the best camera is the one you have. In conclusion, Coral Pink Sand Dunes State Park is more than just a destination. It's an experience that combines adventure with the tranquility of nature. Whether you're camping under the stars, exploring nearby attractions, or simply enjoying the unique landscape, this park promises an unforgettable journey. Don't forget to plan ahead and respect the park's natural beauty during your visit. Okay, let's show you those sights. That's it, my friends. Thank you for watching another video from our team at seemycampsite.com. Hey, we're able to make these videos because people like you subscribe to our channel and make it possible. So please hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and we will see you in the next video.